Christy. Today I'm going to show you my haul from craftyscity.com. Okay, I bought a few papers. I really wanted to get them before they are gone, and I want to share with you because the prices are very good. And I also got a kit that I'm going to show you at the end. Okay, look at this beautiful 6x6. I love this paper. It's from Lemoncraft, and the name is Lullaby. I used this one in a 12x12, but they only had this 6x6, so I get one of these, and I already used it for a baby boy mini album, and I use all the blue pages, and I have left the pink ones so I can make another album for a baby girl. See, very nice. I love Lemoncraft papers. And Archana, she's the owner of Crafty City. She's posting on Facebook. If you follow her, you can see all the new papers that she brings, and they are so gorgeous. They are a very high quality. Look, this is another collection from Lemoncraft, and this is yesterday. These are collections from, I think, I don't know if it's last year or before, but yeah, there are a few in stock. So if you like these colors, maybe you can get for a project. I got 3 of these, and I really like the colors, so I wanted to get for a future project. And as you can see, look, in the cover you get this beautiful design, so you can use this one. And the quality of these papers are like medium cardstock, so it's very nice for beautiful mini album. Okay, look at this, so shabby chic, so shabby chic. Look at this beautiful pink and kind of ivory. It's like white linen. Then right here, lots of laces. Can you see right here? So beautiful, roses right here. And at the back is this beautiful doily, a square doily. Then it has this beautiful color. See, this is like beige. And right here it has these squares like a quilt, and this beautiful design on the edge. Look, it has a clock and all this lace right here. It's very nice. This is like a lace, look, see. Then right here it has all these flowers, and right here like a linen color with some designs. And this is the last page. Yeah, this is like planks. Okay, and whitewash color. And this one right here that looks like a lace too. Okay, so this is the collection of Lemoncraft yesterday. Okay, and I'm going to show you one of the new ones that I really wanted to have it, and I ordered because I wanted to have it before they are gone. And this one is from Stamperia. Okay, and this is the House of Roses, and it comes 10 double face sheets. And look at the colors. I love it. I love white or white linen, so you can combine this pink and kind of sage color and teals with white linen. See, so super beautiful. And look at the designs. See, I love this one with a bird. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this paper, but I think I'm gonna hold it for a while. It's so super cute. Look, it comes with these tags. Okay, So beautiful. Look at the details. See? And in the back, you get more of the tags. So if you cut, you don't need to back it up. You can use it like that in both sides. Beautiful, right? So if you like these papers, visit her store. Is craftycity.com and see all the beautiful collections that she's getting. So beautiful. And she also has a YouTube channel. If you don't know, she is Archana Joshi in YouTube, and she also makes tutorials and shows all the papers that she's getting. So I'm going to put her link in the description box so you can visit her and visit the store too. So beautiful, beautiful paper. Look at this. I can make maybe a shadow box with this one. See, maybe I can put some watch handles and make a real clock. So many ideas, right? And look at this beautiful paper. Wow, I love it. See how cute. Very, very beautiful. A lot of pages. See, you can decide from one side or the other. And look at these tags. Beautiful tags. So I don't know what I'm going to make with this one. This is like tiles of the roof tiles. And yeah, so these are all the papers. Very beautiful. And I also got this one, and this one is from Stamperia, and she had this one on stock, and it says Stamperia Atelier, and it's 10 double face sheets. And I really love the designs of these papers and the colors. Can you see it's blank in the other side, so you can use this part up here to make more tags or something. Look how beautiful, so shabby chic. I love it. Lots of laces. So if you like projects like for altering things and like boxes or special notebooks or something, so you can use this one to decorate your storage boxes or stuff, journals, planners, everything. The colors are so super beautiful, clean and fresh. See, look at these tags. It looks like it has corrugated card box and then some of the sewing theme right here. Look at this butterfly, the combination. The combination is so beautiful. And look up here on this one. See the thread right here, the lace. So beautiful. This is the other side. Look at this key. See? Then right here. Wow, look at this one. A lot of body mannequins, and you can decorate many things with this one. I'm planning to make a mini album or something else with this one. It's so super beautiful. I love it. I love it. Sewing is one of my favorite themes too. See? Look at this. Oh, so beautiful. Oh my gosh. All these tags, those are beautiful accents for your projects. And this is the back. See, now I'm going to show you my kit. This is only papers that I bought, but I bought a kit too, and that kit is so gorgeous. And here is the kit that I got, and this is the Dear Mom kit. Okay, I bought it right after Mother's Day, but I'm going to make something especially for me. I love the colors and everything that it comes. Look, it comes with a mini album from Graphic 45, and it says ivory rectangle tag and pockets, and it's 6 by 8 by 3 inches. And I'm gonna show you so you can see how many pages it has. Okay, and the pages are like this. See, this is a heavy cardstock, and they come like this. Okay, one page that it's simple, and then it comes with a pocket and a large tag, okay, that you can decorate. And then right here you get another pocket right here, so you can put more mats, and another page that is just blank. Okay, so you can add more mats. Oh, and right here in the center it comes with an opening, so you can add another mat up here in the center. Okay, and it comes I think 6 of these. Yeah, 6 of these. Okay, and they are the same. See, 2 blank pages, 2 with pockets, and in the center you get the opening for a mat. So this is a very nice mini album. It's a pre-made mini album, and you just need to decorate it. Okay, so this one comes in the kit, and I'm going to show you the embellishments before I show you the paper. You get one of these, see, that matches the colors, and then you get flowers. Look at these beautiful flowers. And you get some of these seam binding in green color. Then you get a piece of lace, okay, like this. Then right here, these small flowers, and then you get more flowers like this. Look at these beautiful ones. See, so cute. And here, look at these buds. So super cute. And Archana makes samples, and I love how she uses the flowers and everything. See, if you visit her channel, you can see all the things that she makes. Look at these are plastic cameos, and this is a lady, and right here is a set of flowers. You can paint them, or you can just put gesso on top and just decorate it like that. You can this is a chipboard piece. You can paint it and add glitter or any other thing. And right here there is a tag, and also this one that says perfect day. See, so you get 3 pieces of chipboard, and you get these beautiful embellishments. Wow, so cute. And the paper, I'm gonna show you the paper. This paper is by Lemon Craft. It's a very nice quality paper, and the name of the paper is Grow All With Me. Okay, and right here it's kind of peach accents and white, and kind of pink, a little bit of pink. Can you see right here? So it comes with 8 double-sided papers, and look, you can use all of these or the back. Look, it comes with tags in the back. Okay, so beautiful. And this one that has laces, these planks, and some calligraphy right here, some lettering, flowers. So beautiful. And look, again, more laces and flowers. It's a very shabby chic, and it's kind of peach and pink and white. Looks so beautiful. So I really love all the papers that she has in her store. She has Stamperia, Lemon Craft. She has papers from Prima. So if you like that quality papers, you have to visit her store. See, look, beautiful designs, right? So more of these kind of wood with some stencil of words. Look at these beautiful flowers. You can make a lot of beautiful items with this one. Embellishments, tags. So super cute, right? So I don't know if I'm going to use it soon, but this is going to be one of my projects of this year, because I want to use what I have for this year, and I'm going to show you. Okay, but if you like what it comes in this set, you have to visit the store and get one of these before they are gone. Okay, so this is the Dear Mom kit. Okay, so I'm going to put the link of her store and of her YouTube channel so you can visit her. And again, thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye bye.